Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Audi A3 2.0 T Quattro Premium. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 108,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.